Let's go, her. She's disturbed.
Anymore.
And my
phone just turned on.
I think she's gonna add
I'm gonna add size.
That's. Are you going to one of these places?
No, I am not going to McDonald's and sitting through the drive-thru. I am not. I told you.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna tell you right now. You can just drop us off then.
You want to drop off right here?
Sure do.
Yeah,
You don't have to be
why are you
asshole
crashing
about
out? We were just trying to go home.
Maybe we should call the police.
Call the police for what?
That's what I'm saying.
I'm supposed to take you to Courtyard Lansing.
Go ahead, take us.
We were just asking. It really wasn't like if you couldn't, that was that.
I said I couldn't.
Right, but okay, but you don't have to be an asshole about it.
Like you don't have to trip out about it. We're
Like we understand.
You're yelling at two little fucking girls.
We definitely understand. If Lyft doesn't pay you enough, that's that. Maybe you should take it up with them.
I wouldn't have taken a ride with a stop.
Oh yeah, maybe you should.
Right, but you just said if I would have added the stop, then you would have stopped. That's why I said
And then when we tell you
another driver would have
stop
stopped.
it, no, I'm not doing that.
I'm going to let you off here if you don't stop yelling.
Do it then. Do it then. I'll report you for reckless on the highway.
How? How? I'm on camera right now. Going 55
You just
in a 70.
That's brake checked on the highway.
I did not brake check.
It's 70
I
right
did
here.
not brake check. I stopped. I was about to stop and let you out because you were yelling at me.
On the highway, you were going to let us out?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You were going to let us out on the highway?
Oh, yeah.
You were. You were going to let us out on exit 70. All right. To Uber we go. To Uber we go. Uber support.
You know what? I am going to call. I'm calling Lyft after this. You guys might not have.
Too, and we have it all on video.
That's great. I got it on video too.
We saw you yelling at us.
You are inebriated and drunk, and you are making my life a living hell.
Nobody's
I can
drunk.
smell the alcohol on you.
Nobody's drunk. Is that on you?
You need to stop yelling at me.
Are you driving? Are you driving reckless because you're driving drunk?
Just be quiet. Just
You want to go right here? I will stop.
Are you smelling alcohol on your own breath?
shut
Good crash right here. That's what you
I will stop right here.
You said you'll crash, right? Oh my God! Amy, get me out! Amy, get me out of
I'm calling the police on you.
At least they're all.
Watch him. Stupid
Holy
asshole.
shit.
Oh, look at it. He got so fast to the light.
You okay? I'd like to see you try, sweetheart. You're on dash cam, so you might want to just behave.
Okay. You're on camera, just so you know.
Look for the video on Facebook. I'll be posting that on Facebook.
Yep.
Somebody taking your children.
I use the light.
was a hit.
On the curb.
No, they crashed.
Oh.
I was crossing the street when I met the love of my life. I chased after her. Nothing would stand in my way. Not the dog walker, nor the hot dog vendor. Finally reaching her, I asked, "What do you call that amazing smell?"
Skate flings.
Okay, Garmin.
Skate flings.
Save video.
Are you kidding me?